Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the 5 best beard trimmers in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best beard trimmers. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer 25-piece men's grooming kit for beard. First of all, who wants to own 10 different devices? Secondly, beards deserve more than a simple, uniform trim. So consider a beard kit with various heads and guards, all of which can detail your scruff in interesting ways. This Philips kit is THAT kit with a washable trimmer and heads that tend to eyebrows, mustaches, nose hairs, and even your head, but it shapes up beards best of all. Some of its heads draw clean lines, while others work to spot check hairs in hard to clean places, like removing hair from right under the nose without accidentally shaving half of your mustache off. Number 4. Hatteker Hair Clipper for Men IPX7 Waterproof Cordless Barber Clipper for Hair Cutting Kit. Our data analytics team tells us that this Hatteker kit is the top seller among GQ readers, and for good reason. First, it's a high-quality, all-in-one kit that covers every kind of hair trimming task, from lineups to sideburns to beards, eyebrows, and body hair. It holds an hour-long charge of 90 minutes of plug-in time, enough for week-long vacation. Overall, it's a bargain, since it's a damn good and comprehensive workhorse. Number 3. Bevel Professional Hair Clippers and Beard Trimmer for Men. Bevel recently launched one of the sexiest trimmers ever, a muscled upgrade of its best-selling device. This new one has all the guard heads for a precise trim, a professional line-up, and even a buzz cut. Rather than guards, the device uses a motorized head to adjust from a zero-gap close shave on up, at ultra-precise 0.1 mm intervals. It's got the same heft and gorgeous design of the previous device, along with 4 hours of cordless battery life. Number 2. Remington Vacuum Haircut Kit. Beard trimming gets messy fast. You get clippings in your beard, on your hands, in your sink, but Remington's trimmer keeps the process clean while also keeping your beard tidy. It sucks up the large majority of hairs as they fall, making for easy disposal afterwards. This is a dual hair clipper and beard trimmer, and although it's not cordless, that Wahl power will give you a strong, consistent cut. Many beard trimmers can't handle the more difficult task of cutting head hair, which tends to be thicker and less cooperative. So if you want a device for both and one that cleans house, then here you are. Number 1. Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimming Kit for Mustaches, Nose Hair, and Light Detailing and Grooming with bonus wet-dry electric nose trimmer. This pair of lightweight, battery-powered trimmers is great if you need to line up edges and snip at strays while away from home. Why pack something expensive and cumbersome for a weekend away? The nose hair clipper might not be worth packing on all but the longest trips, but it cleans up fuzzy nostrils and errant eyebrows nicely.